In this video, you will see how to rotate text in Canva. As you can see, I have rotated the text in Canva and it's very easy. First, what you need to do is click here on the text option and then click on add text box and paste the text inside the text box. Now to rotate this text inside the text box, what you need to do is click on the text box to select the text along with the text box. And now to rotate, you will see here the option of rotating arrows. So if you hover your pointer towards this option, you will see double-headed arrow. This means you can rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise. To rotate, click on it and hold the click on your mouse, and now you can rotate in any direction you want. You will be able to see the rotation degree. For example, here is -25, and if I rotate in the opposite direction, as you can see, now it's +25. So you can rotate as much you want like this, and you can also completely flip the text upside down if you want to. Once done, just release the click on your mouse, and that's how you can rotate text in Canva. If you want to learn Canva quickly, check out these useful videos. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. See you again in the next one.